Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another sit down makeup tutorial. Now it's been a long since I have done a sit down makeup tutorial of sorts. So today I am sharing with you this Rakhi special look. Now Rakhi personally is a very important occasion for me because I am so much connected with my brothers, and I just feel that this festival really brings all of us together. I just love this festival, so I just wanted to share a very beautiful basic glam with you guys. And as you guys can see, it is a basic glam look. It doesn't have too much, but still it's giving a very beautiful ombre sort of a vibe. Now mostly I have used all the affordable products in this video, so I hope you will like it. I hope you will try out this look in this Rakhi. It was a very long intro, so without blabbering much, let's go to the main tutorial. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off with some primer. For primer, I'm using this pack Bouncy primer. This is what I got for free when I purchased some product from a pack. Now this one is a very odd texture primer, I must say. It doesn't blend out beautifully. I am evenly spreading the primer all over on my face. As it is a very minimal makeup, I'm going for a very medium coverage foundation, and I'm going for Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. I'm in the shade 10 Golden Hour. This says that this is anti-pollution, deep hydration and oil control action. Now I don't know about the anti-pollution thing, but I just like how lightweight, how oil controlling it is. I really like this foundation. I think Nykaa has done a brilliant job with the Skin Shield foundation. I will go with the beauty blender because I like how it soaks a little bit and it gives a very even coverage on all over on my face. I also like to apply a little bit on the neck as well. As it's gonna be a very minimal makeup, so I'm not gonna use any concealer. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking the same foundation. If you don't have any concealer as of now, you can also follow this trick as well. I'm gonna take a little amount of foundation and I'm gonna place it on the highest points of my face, and also wherever I have a little bit of pigmentation. Now I do have a little bit of pigmentation around my mouth, so I'm just placing it and then I will be blending it. You can use whatever you prefer. I will be going with the same beauty blender. I'm also dragging my foundation towards my temple just to give a little bit of illusion of lift. Also gonna dab my sponge over my eyes because as I am not using any concealer, the foundation will do the work. Now this step is totally optional, but I am from oily skin type, so obviously I need to powder my whole face, and for that I'm using my Faces Canada powder. Not the biggest fan of it, just bought this, that's why I'm finishing it up. Also it comes with an applicator which is of no use, so I just like to damp my sponge into the powder just a little bit, and I like to set my under eyes first, then rest of the face. Now it's looking really flat, so I need to give a little bit of warmth towards the side of my face. That's why I'm using this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm gonna take my angled contour brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a very little amount and I'm just gonna apply it a little bit on the jawline, little bit on the sides of the nose, and also towards my hairline. Mostly I go for very harsh contouring, but this time I'm going for very soft bronzing. For blush, I am going for a very beautiful corally sort of a blush, and for that I am using this Lakme 925 Pure Rouge blush. This is in the variant Coral Punch, and I'm gonna take my blush brush. Now it comes with a brush, but I have already thrown it because it's of no use. I'm taking a very light amount, dusting off the excess, and I'm gonna place it just above where I have placed the bronzing. Now I know a lot of you like to apply the blush on the apple of the cheeks. I just like to take it towards my temple like a little bit, and I just like to place it just above the bronzer, very lightly, not too much. Now for highlighter, I have with me this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. Now this one is a very chalky highlighter, like a very blingy highlighter. So if you want something soft, then you can go for it, but I like something very high glow highlighter, and I'm using a fan brush and I'm just placing it on the high points of my face. It's totally optional, you can place it on your cupid's bow if you want. I like the effect of it, that's why I use it. Now for eyebrow, I am using my all-time favorite product, which is this PAC Walnut Wax Brow Pomade. It's just not replaceable for me. I just love this product. Now, if you are not that much into brows, you can definitely go with your mascara. I would suggest you to go with mascara. If you are going for a very minimal makeup, then you can go for it. But I just love how this brow pomade works, and I just love the effect of it. So I'm just gonna fill in my sparse areas, not too much. I'm not giving a shape or something. I'm just going very light-handedly. Again, this is an angled brush. I'm also gonna fill in my starting portion of my eyebrow in some vertical strokes. I just like thick brows, and trust me, if you have thick brows, you are blessed. Can you guys see how instantly your face cutting changes with the brow filling? So I just love this. Now let's move on to eyeshadow, and for that I'm taking this Swiss Beauty 9 Pen eyeshadow palette in the variant 04. I think Swiss Beauty has the potential to bring out the best in the market under affordable budget, and this product is the bomb example of that. I just love the colors and the shades that they have been launching. Not some bullshit shades, you cannot create any story with them. It's just perfect mix of colors, perfect shimmers, matte, every single thing in a palette under affordable budget, under 250 rupees. I think you should definitely try a variant from this particular range, because they have quite a few range, but I have tried some of them and I didn't like them. I don't know why. Firstly, I'm gonna take this beautiful orange undertone transition shade with a very fluffy blending brush. Then I'm taking slightly less fluffy blending brush, and then I'm gonna pick up the next shade from this palette right next to it, and I'm gonna place it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid. Now these eyeshadows have substantial amount of kickback, so I will suggest you not to dab your brush, just swirl your brush to avoid the kickback. Otherwise the colors will be mixing up with each another, which is not a great situation. So I'm again dusting off the excess. Oh my god, there is so much dust. But let's move on. I'm gonna place it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid. Can you guys see how pigmented these colors are? I'm just gonna place the color close to my eyelid, just beneath the transition color which I have placed before. Also gonna place the color on the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna mix these two colors so there is no harsh edges. I'm just moving my brush in wiper motion. After that I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna pick up the only shimmer shade that it has, and this is a very beautiful goldeny sort of a shade. Then I'm gonna place it on the inner 2/3 of my eyelid. Look at how beautiful the color is, and even with a brush you can work with this shimmer, which is an amazing fact. Even Huda Beauty shimmers don't work with this particular brush. I have tried to pick the shimmers with this brush, but no, it never worked. I'm also gonna place it on the 1/3 of my lower lash line. Now to finish up this eye look, I am using this Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan Collection mascara. Now it's a very beautiful voluminous mascara, so definitely if you want that voluminous effect, you can go for it. This will not give you any lengthening, but only volume. As you guys can see, it gives you beautiful curve and volume. If you are not a false lash kind of girl, then definitely invest in some good voluminous mascara. Alright, so I have gone a little bit carried away and I have applied the falsies. This is in the variant Icy from Swiss Beauty, and now let's complete this look with some lipsticks. So firstly I'm going to apply the Lakme liquid lip color in the shade Purple Pout. As you guys can see, it's looking a little bit intense. Now I'm gonna neutralize it with the Trendsetter from Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. So now I will be put on some accessories, and then I will be coming back because I need to set my hair as well. Alright guys, so this is my final finished look. As you guys can see, it's total glam. I love how it's giving an ombre shade on the lips. As you guys can see, the borders are really intense, and from the inner side it's giving a very beautiful nude shade, and the eye makeup has turned out really beautifully. You can wear this makeup with any type of western or traditional attire, whatever you prefer, whatever you like. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It's full on glam, but it's so basic as well, so you can wear it out even if you're not doing anything. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, if you're new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and also the notification bell icon, so whenever whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care. Bye.